विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचा स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म बघितला ax² + bx + c = 0. त्यानंतर क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करण्याच्या मेथड्स आपण बघितल्या. पहिली मेथड होती फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथड, दुसरी मेथड कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड आणि तिसरी मेथड होती फॉर्म्युला मेथड. फॉर्म्युला मेथड बघितल्यानंतर आपण नेचर ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा पार्ट मागच्या क्लासला बघितला. आता आपल्याला हा पार्ट बघितल्यानंतर पुढे बघायचं आहे ते म्हणजे रिलेशन बिटवीन द रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन अँड कोइफिशियंट्स. वी नो अल्फा अँड बीटा are the roots of quadratic equation, and a, b, c are coefficients. Then what is the relation between alpha and beta and a, b, c? We know alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here if we add alpha and beta, then we will get minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac, and denominator is common, that is 2a. Here adding a and b, alpha and beta, plus into minus b and plus sign into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. Here plus under root b square minus 4ac and minus under root b square minus 4ac will get cancelled, and we will get alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2b upon 2a. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is the first relation between alpha, beta and coefficients. Then secondly, if we multiply alpha and beta, here alpha is again minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a into beta minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equal to minus b. Here is plus sign and here is minus sign, that is terms are equal, therefore it is x plus y into x minus y. It becomes x square minus y square, that is minus b square minus under root b square minus 4ac bracket square upon 2a into 2a 4a square is equal to plus b square minus b square, that is b square minus here root and square root get cancelled, and we get b square minus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to b square minus b square minus into minus plus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to, here subtraction 0 and 4ac upon 4a square, 4 cancel, here a cancel, and we will get c upon a. Therefore here alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. It is second relation. In solving some examples, we should have used these two relations, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. We will see example. For equation 10x square plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0, find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Equation is 10x square plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 1. Already we have seen the relation between alpha and beta. First relation is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Here minus b, value of b is 10 upon a, that is 10 is equal to minus 1. Secondly, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Value of c is 1 and value of a is 10. Therefore alpha into beta is equal to 1 upon 10. Again we will see example. If alpha and beta are the roots of equation y square minus 2y, minus 7 is equal to 0, find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Here the equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. By comparing it with y square plus ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Therefore we know first relation alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a is equal to minus 2 upon 1, that is plus 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. And second, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, that is minus 7 upon 1 is equal to minus 7. Then in our example we have to find alpha square plus beta square. Here to find alpha square plus beta square, we should have know the relation, that is alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. we already know about the expansion formula alpha plus beta square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Here by changing the side of 2 alpha beta we get alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Here we must know this relation to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Therefore, if we put the value of alpha plus beta, that is 2. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 2. 2 square minus 2 into alpha plus alpha into beta, that is minus 7. We will get 4 plus 14 is equal to 18. Then second, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to, here also relation alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. These two relations alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube must know. Here also expansion formula for alpha plus beta bracket cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Here by changing the side of 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta we get alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Here again put the value alpha plus beta, that is 2 cube minus 3 into minus 7 and alpha plus beta 2. Here cube of 2 is 8 minus into minus plus 3 into 7 into 2, 21 into 2, that is 42 is equal to 50. Therefore value of alpha cube plus beta cube is 50. This is example from practice set 2.5. In this way the examples on relation between alpha and beta, that is the roots of quadratic equation, and ABC